Welcome back to Tutorials with Jesse. I am your host here at Podomatic. If you haven't started your podcast yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. It's easy. It's free. It's here at Podomatic. So today we are going over the media library. So here at Podomatic.com, go ahead and click on Media Library. And we're going to go over a couple file options that we have that you can upload. Audio, video clips, photos, obviously for your cover art and so forth. You can click to decide what type of file you need to upload. And we're going to go ahead and do just that. Well, first you're going to hit Add New. And there's two ways you can go about uploading. You can choose a file by clicking this button. Your files will come up here. You simply click one that you want to upload, and boom, there you have it. The next option would be clicking your file cabinet here, letting your list of documents come up. Then you grab a file and you upload it this way. And there you have it. Alright, and to break that down for you guys, say we're here at the desktop and I want to upload this file specifically. I'm just going to right click it and physically drag it. Then I physically drop it into this section right here. And boom, it uploads right there for you. And then again, the other option would be to just press Add New. Choose your file by clicking this button. It will bring up a list of files and you just click the file you want. Something to factor when it comes to the upload speed. As you saw, the file, both ways I decided to uploaded fast and efficient. That's because I used the correct file format and size. If you experience slow speed, that means your file is probably over the 300 megabyte guideline. Other reasons for slow speed would be your network connection is not good. If it fails to upload, you're behind a firewall that's restricting the upload. And another reason for it failing would be the type of file that's not acceptable. And again, we have a whole list of files that are acceptable, and I'll make sure to link that article in the description of this video. There's a couple options after you've uploaded the file. You're going to click these three dots here and it'll bring up your options. You could publish as an episode. You can download the episode or the file. You can rename the file or delete the file. Now when it comes to renaming, we advise you name it something relevant. So if it's say episode 2, you'll name it that. Keep in mind the file type is super important. Next, we'll go over the type of files that are accepted. When it comes to audio files, as you can see, M4As, MP3s, MP4s. When it comes to videos, we accept MP4, M4Vs, WMVs, MOVs, MPEGs, MPGs, and 3GPs. And then with photos, obviously, JPEGs, PNGs, and BMPs. We do have an article of different files that we do support here at Podomatic. I will link that in the description of this video, so feel free to read up on that. If you have any further questions, make sure you contact us at care@podomatic.com or contact me directly at jesse@podomatic.com, and make sure to follow along as we continue to dive deep into the world of podcast related things. Make sure to subscribe to all our channels, social media pages, and of course, visit us at Podomatic.com. And if you haven't started your podcast yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. It's easy, it's free, it's here at Podomatic.com.